I am Dr. Satyendra Kumar Yadav, Associate Professor, Department of Commerce, GLA University, Mathura. Today I am introducing about the subject Indian economy. Economy of a country includes all production, distribution or economic activities that relate with the people and determines the standard of living. Indian economy is the sixth largest economy by nominal GDP and third largest by purchasing power parity PPP. According to International Monetary Fund IMF, on per capita income basis, India ranked 139th by GDP nominal and 118th by GDP PPP purchasing power parity in the year of 2018. From independence in 1947 until 1991, successive governments promoted protectionist economic policies with extensive state intervention and regulation. Some features of Indian economy are it is low per capita income, agriculture based economy, overpopulation, lack of capital formation, income disparities, backwardness of infrastructural development. Indian economy is classified in three sectors. First, primary sector when economic activities depends mainly on exploitation of natural resources, then that activity comes under the primary sector. Agriculture and agriculture related activities are the primary sector of the economy. Second, secondary sector when the main activity involve manufacturing, then it is the secondary sector. All industrial production where physical goods or are produced come under the secondary sector. Third, tertiary sector. When the activity involve providing intangible goods like services, then this part of the tertiary sector. Financial services, management consultancy, telephony, and IT are example of the service sector. Thank you.